So this video is about the difference between the 3-3-1 formation we've been playing so far and on alternate formation I want us to try the 3-2-2. The 3-3-1 we've been playing so far has worked really well. It has enormous numbers of passing lanes, which is why our passing has gone so well. But it has one particular weakness. That weakness is, if our center mid is on the attack and happens to lose the ball, the other team has this enormous gap to attack into. And that exact scenario has actually led to several of the goals that have been scored against us in recent games. So the 3-2-2 has two center midfielders and two strikers. And the key advantage of it is, in that same play, if a center midfielder is on the attack and everyone's trying to come up and loses the ball, the second center midfielder can slide in that hole and stop the other team. So in the 3-2-2, there's two center midfielder, a left center and a right center. And the key idea is they have to pay attention to each other and play off each other, because only one can go on the attack at a time. So if one goes up to try to score, the other holds, comes back to the center and shifts. Not play all the way back here as a defensive holder, but just comes and plays that center midfielder. And vice versa. If the other player, say, wants to attack wide and come around out here, this player notices and slides to the center. So there's always one of the two is playing center midfield. If one of them loses it, I still want that defensive overlap to get behind. And so there's always someone playing defense. These two center mids should not be playing flat like this. Always one should be sliding a little forward, the other one a little behind, and they kind of play off each other. Can even play moving around side to side, always noticing where the other one is, staying nearby, not too far away. Now the 3-2-2 also creates extra demands on our strikers, because one of the most common plays is for our defender to take the ball to the sideline, and this means the strikers have to come over like the old attackers did to fill that spot to make this pass possible. But it also means the other striker has to run in the hole to take that striker position. And if the ball gets switched, moving it back to the defender, to the sweeper, to the other defender, these strikers now have to adjust again, sort of swapping places to provide the width that we're looking for and move over the top. So this passing lane is here. And if one of our defenders wants to play this Micon role coming all the way up on the offense, the other center midfielder needs to see that, let this player go, shift, hold, and make sure there's always a triangle of defenders or defensive positioned players to prevent counterattacks.